Dear friends, today I will continue with another section from chapter 16 of the Indian Patent Act or the Patents Act 1970. Okay, and the section is section 92A and the title is Compulsory License for Export of Patented Pharmaceutical Products in Certain Exceptional Circumstances, and we can link up rule 96 with this particular section. Okay, so we will proceed towards our subsections and will explain through our key points. Fine. So subsection 1 says compulsory license shall be available for manufacture and export of patented pharmaceutical products to any country having insufficient or no manufacturing capacity in the pharmaceutical sector for the concerned product to address public health problems, provided compulsory license has been granted by such country or such country has by notification or otherwise allowed importation of the patented pharmaceutical products from India. Okay, so just observe the underlined words and read carefully this section, taking care of the read carefully the subsection, taking care of the punctuation marks. Okay, in short I can explain this as compulsory license shall be available for manufacture and export of patented pharma products to a country having insufficient capacity in the pharma sector for the concerned product, provided the country allows the importation of the patented pharma product from India via notification or compulsory license is granted in that country. Fine. For that particular pharma product. Okay. Next one is subsection 2. The controller shall, on receipt of an application in the prescribed manner, grant a compulsory license solely for manufacture and export of the concerned pharmaceutical product to such country under such terms and conditions as may be specified and published by him. Fine. So, the explanation is, on receipt of application, the controller grant a compulsory license, okay, for manufacture and export of the pharma product to the needy country under such terms and conditions as published by him. Fine. There are some important points that I have written under note. NATCO was the first company to have filed for a compulsory license under section 92A for Roche's anti-cancer drug Tarceva or erlotinib and Pfizer's renal cancer drug Sutent. Okay. Subsection 3 is, the provisions of subsections 1 and 2 shall be without prejudice to the extent to which pharmaceutical products produced under a compulsory license can be exported under any other provision of this act. Explanation is, for the purposes of this section, pharmaceutical products means any patented product or product manufactured through a patented process of the pharmaceutical sector needed to address public health problems and shall be inclusive of ingredients necessary for their manufacture and diagnostic kits required for their use. Okay, so the simple meaning is, pharmaceutical products equal to any patented product or product manufactured through a patented process of the pharma sector to address public health problems. Okay, and also we can say that these products are inclusive. We can say inclusive of in these products inclusive of ingredients necessary for their manufacture and diagnostic kits required. Fine. So this way friends, section 92A is completed. So please go through my video, please go through the barracks, please write to me in case of any comments in the comment box, and please subscribe my channel and share my video among your friends. Thank you so much friends. Stay safe, stay blessed.